This is one of the simplest recipes that I've tried. Requires minimal effort, requires little ingredients, yet super delicious. This is Palestinian Musakhan, and I'm going to show you how I made this in less than 8 minutes. So if you already know, this is Palestinian national dish. It's made with flatbread, caramelized onions, chicken. Let me just show you how I made this. First, you add some chicken last or any part of the chicken you want into a bowl. Add in some Baharat, that's the Arabian 7 spice. Add your sumac and salt and seasoning. Obviously, as a Nigerian, I cannot cook without salt and seasoning. So yeah, add everything together that I mentioned, then massage that into your chicken. You can marinate that for a while or just proceed to cook if you do not have enough time. But I promise you, it might look so simple, but it is so good. When I was making this, I wasn't sure of the results, but I was so glad I tried this. Honestly, you need to try this chicken recipe. So after massaging my chicken, I'm gonna set that aside and slice some onions. A lot of onions. You're gonna do the same thing with the onions too. Add some Baharat spice, add a lot of sumac, massage everything together, and we're gonna caramelize this until it is beautifully salt, a lot of olive oil. Now in your pot, you're gonna add a lot of olive oil, then go in with that spice onions that we've just mixed. After that, you're going to cook that until it is soft and somewhat caramelized. Not really caramelized, but you know, just soft. Then you're gonna pack that and set aside. Now you're going to sear that seasoned chicken in that olive oil, and then either bake that in the oven for like 30 minutes or until your chicken is ready, or you can just reduce the heat to very low and cook that on low heat for about, I think, 30 minutes until the chicken is well done, tender, and with a lot of sauce. Okay, now it is time to assemble. You're gonna start with a layer of flatbread. I got this from one Lebanese store, so you can just use I think you can also use the Lebanese bread we use in making normal shawarma. Yeah, you can also use that. After the layer of flatbread, you're gonna add that beautiful layer of onions. I'm not sure if you don't like onions, but this was so good. You're gonna add all of that with that olive oil. Please be generous with the olive oil, but use good quality olive oil. Don't use shirmi because you won't like the taste. Yeah. After the layer of onions, you're gonna top that with your chicken, with some almonds or pine nuts, toasted or fried, and you're good to go. Literally, your Palestinian Musakhan is ready at that junction. You need to give this a try. I don't want to say much, but wallahi, I was so shocked with the taste and the result. It was so good. But yeah, you need to try this, honestly. So if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and also follow me on other social media platforms as Chef Amors. If you've been here with me, thank you for supporting, your likes, your views, and everything. It means a lot to me, and anticipate for my next recipe. Bye!